Do you want to make the jawline look more defined in your portrait photos? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra include a face effect tools that let you adjust the jawline of a detected face directly in the gallery app. Let me show you how. First, open the gallery app, then open a portrait photo. Tap the pencil icon at the bottom. Then tap the tools icon. Tap face effect. Now swipe through the available option and tap jawline. You will see a slider below it. For this example, let's increase the jawline level. To do so, move the slider to the right. As you increase the value, the jawline becomes more defined and prominent. As a note, the default value is 0 and you can increase it up to 8. Adjust the slider until you get the look you want. When you are done, tap done, then tap save. If you compare with the original portrait, you will notice that the jawline appears more defined while the rest of the portrait remain largely unchanged. And that's how you enhance the jawline in portrait photos on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.